How to fix Temu orders not showing up. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check if you're logged into the right account. Did you accidentally log in using a different method? Google, Apple, or email. Log out and try signing in with the original account used to place the order. Next up, force close and reopen the app. Swipe up to close the Temu app completely. Reopen it and check the Your Orders section again. Next up, delete the Temu app and again reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Temu app. Navigate to the option, remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Now, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Temu and then download it. Next up, check your internet connection. Launch your settings app, enable for the option airplane mode, wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Likewise, you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With these solutions, your problem might be fixed. If none of these solutions work, contact Temu support team. For that, head over to the Spin website. Click on Contact Us. Provide your Temu account's credentials and log in. You will be directed to this page. Now from here, you can easily contact Temu customer service team. Just explain about the issue and send it. Temu customer service team will get back to you. You can have the conversation and with that your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily fix Temu orders not showing up. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.